why do we celebrate Thaipusam? You tell me. It's an holiday that I can understand. Okay. See, the point is, Sorry, very good. See, Thai means Tamil month. Okay. Pusam means? Okay, we'll. Pusham star in English. Okay? Apna enna nadakidhu? Pusha is a nakshatra. Okay? It's a star. Where is it located? In Cancer. You feel it? இந்த ரெண்டு இது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிச்சா? Next thing we need to know is, so this I have already introduced you as a star map. Is it? This is today's star map. Okay. Now what we need to search is the moon. Does the moon be in the day? No. Arbitrary no solution. See, moon is here. Where is the moon? Near this star. You feel it? Cancer constellation. So that is why it is called Thaipusam.